Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to delete your WhatsApp account. So I'm going to delete it. Before you do that, right, you just take a backup. So this is for tutorial purpose. I'm going to delete my WhatsApp account. So tap on the three dots and click on the settings. This is an Android mobile. So go to account. In Android mobile you can see this delete my account. Just tap on this. So you need to provide your valid number here. So I have provided my valid number. Click on this delete my account. We hate to see you leave. Tell us why you are deleting your account. Other. So click on delete my account. Proceed to delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent. Your data cannot be recovered. If you reactivate your WhatsApp account in the future, this includes your Google Drive backup. Delete my account. Your WhatsApp account has been deleted. Super cool, right? So this is the way you can delete WhatsApp account if you want. Before you delete, just take backup of this, and I have made this video only for tutorial purpose. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye.